COVID-19 is freezing all around us, but together we will melt the glaciers with our warmth and move forward. We keep to improve our products and prepare various contents for user convenience. Please take a moment to enjoy our new features. COVID-19 is getting worse and worse recently, as we may see a lot of thermal detection systems are installed in different public spaces, including the entrances of hospitals, malls, or schools. Most of those areas are with multi-entrance. How would we control the entrance and collect the data from different entry points? Midas Touch's thermal detection system provides a cloud platform that can send raw data on it. We can stream the video via internet and then send the data to the cloud. Through Midas Touch's platform API, you can perform data analysis to ensure your environment's safety. Cloud platforms allow malls or companies with multiple entrances easy to organize and model data. On this cloud platform, every device has its data. In the linear graph, we could set periods to know the total people each day. We could also check the number of people who had abnormal temperatures. As for the settings, we could set email notification to designate personnel if some conditions are met. What's more, we can assign devices into separate groups. Our cloud platform uses hierarchy design, so your company can assign personnel to different administration levels. By possessing thermal detection system with cloud platform, companies could have a bigger picture of the data trend. We are always ready to take steps with you shoulder to shoulder. New challenges await for all of us. Let's go hand in hand together. Let's reopen safely. We pray for the prosperity of your business and the health of families and neighbors. For more detailed product info, please visit our website or send your inquiry to us. We will arrange the specialist to have an online Zoom introduction for you. If you like this video, welcome to subscribe to our channel and share this video.